Today let us learn about how to recap the needle. To avoid a needle stick injury, never recap the needle by using both hands. One hand scoop technique is the best technique to recap the needle. And now I am going to show you how to recap the needle. Step 1. Place the needle cap on a flat surface. Step 2. By using your dominant hand, insert the used sharp needle into the cap. Step 3. Slips the needle completely into the cap, allowing the needle to enter in a scooping movement. Step 4. Once the needle is completely covered by the cap, lift the syringe vertically. By using the other hand, fix the needle.